Hi there guys, in this video I will show you how to hide following and followers list notifications on Instagram. First of all, you need to make sure that you're on your web page, and then you need to select the three dots icon on your right upper side. After that, you need to select the first section, settings. Then you need to go and select notifications, the second section. Now you need to go on following and followers. Then, as you can see on the first section, you have on your new followers. Go and turn it off. Go back. And now you need to go on privacy. After that, you need to make your account private. Go on it, and now as you can see, my account is a business account, and it says that if you want to make your account private, first you need to switch back to a personal account. Okay, let's get started with that. Go back and go in account section, then scroll down, go switch account type, and go switch to personal account. They will ask you again for switching to a personal account, and go switch again. Now as you can see, you need to wait, and now we have done with this work. Now you know how to hide following and followers list notifications on Instagram. Thanks guys for watching. Make sure that you hit that like and share the video, and if you have some questions about it, comment down below, and see you soon.